On today's body cam, we're checking out 23-year-old was seconds away from freedom. Watch what she does next.
Officers responded to a disturbance at a local bar where an intoxicated woman was causing problems with staff. She was given one chance to avoid arrest, a chance she wouldn't take.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
2 females are in this here. We want her at least to leave the premises.
Do you want them trespassed or no?
I don't think trespass is necessary. She's just intoxicated and
Okay. Did they?
she just belligerent.
Okay.
Running their mouth, saying everything, and just went and sat in the car.
Okay.
We just called in and plate number and stuff. So.
Okay, I'll just have them log it just in case.
Yeah.
If they would stop talking. I'll have a chat with them real quick. Nothing physical happened, just all verbal between y'all?
No, she was. We had to hold her back a couple times. Yeah, she wishes she could.
Hey, just wait right there. You need to stay in your car. Get in your car. Get in your car. Close the door. Roll your window down.
I don't have a, sir, I don't have a, my car keys.
Where are your car keys?
I don't know.
Okay. Have you been drinking tonight?
Yeah, damn
Okay.
well. Like one glass and suddenly I don't know where.
You know, you can't find your keys. Okay. Sit tight for me. Just wait. Central 338, copy attack. What's going on here?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay, that's...
Sir, I don't know.
Okay. Who's this here? Laying down.
Bro. Hello, the officer is talking to you. Tell him who you are. Tell him who you are. Tell him who you are. It's okay, girl. You good.
So what's going on here with you guys fighting with the bar staff?
Oh, absolutely not. I've just been sleeping with them. Right.
That's a lie. So let's be honest.
Bro, alright. Listen, here's the thing. We came here we've been here a million times, okay? I'm a little bit intoxicated, so is she, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So is everybody else who comes here, okay?
Okay.
We have a slight problem with, you know, some sort of altercation with owner / girl who works here, right? This is my person who's passed away's mother. I'm the one here, okay? Are you okay, girl?
Are you gonna get to the disagreement that happened inside? Like, why? Or you just gonna give a whole bunch of backstory but not actually say what just happened? Why are the people inside mad at you? The people that work at the establishment.
Everybody gets up in there, and that shit is just super abnormal. I don't think I'm 23 years old. She's like 44. I don't think that for us, you know, to be drinking is a problem.
It's not a problem. It becomes a problem if you start fighting with people.
Okay.
It becomes a problem if you try and drive when you're intoxicated.
Oh, we don't fight. Who the why is this problem happening? We don't fight.
Because you're drunk and you won't listen to them telling you to leave.
Talk to them.
I did just talk to them.
Okay, so they said I was drunk and I'm the problem. Have you gone and talked to them about, have you talked to me about how they might be the problem?
Okay, why don't you step out of the car, come back here. You wait in here. Come back. We're going to my car. This young lady and her friend are extremely intoxicated and wanted to fight with the bar here. She got into her car, was trying to leave, but cannot find her keys.
But were you willing to perform field sobriety?
Run.
If you
are you joking? You perform half that on half these people. They're all
It's a
intoxicated.
yes or no question, ma'am.
I'm not driving my car,
we
bro.
have to make a determination based on your current state.
Okay, so then what? Who drives my car? What happens to my car?
Yeah, but wait, hold on. I thought for them to do DUI, don't you have to be sitting in there, you know, with the keys in the ignition? I thought that's what it was, but she didn't even start the car. I don't know.
I understand I can't drive my car. No, that not getting towed.
It's a yes or no question. Will you perform SFEs?
Sure.
You will.
Sure.
Fantastic.
Yes.
Perfect.
Yes, I will.
Wait right here. Okay. Can you hear my instructions here, or do we need to go somewhere where it's not as loud?
Yeah.
You can hear? Okay. Are you sick or injured? Are you taking any medications currently?
No, sir.
Do you have any physical handicaps? Broken a leg before, anything like that?
No, sir.
No. Perfect. Is there anything else that would make it hard for you to complete this any of the tests?
Sir.
Okay.
Is this gonna be on my driving record?
This test? No.
Okay.
So this is just.
On a perfect driving record. I don't want.
Here's the deal, right? This test shows me whether or not you are good to drive, right? Because clearly you've had some drinks.
Yes, sir.
Right? You even admitted it.
Yes, sir.
I want to make sure you are okay to drive before I tell you, get your butt out of here.
Yes, sir.
Okay? You doing these exercises helps me feel comfortable letting you do that. Because the way you're acting over here when we first...
Yeah, but she didn't. Nah, man. She didn't drive. She didn't even have the keys in the ignition. Nah, man. I wouldn't be doing this test. You came here for a dispute. You know, whatever, for a disturbance. Now you want me doing fields and I wasn't even driving? I'm just sitting in the car? Nah.
When I first showed up, that's not normal.
Are these shoes ugly?
What's that?
Are these shoes ugly?
Your shoes? I don't know. I'm not a shoe guy.
Really?
Look at what I got on.
Yeah, but
Mine look like yours.
these look like dude shoes.
No, I don't think so. Who told you that?
My dad.
Your dad did?
I know you got good shoes. You have nice shoes. Yeah, I got nice shoes.
They're comfortable. I don't know about nice.
That's what's so upset about this in the progress. I'm trying to figure out, like, I have a domestic violence, like, sexual assault case open right now in Charlotte County. My goal in life is to kind of be there for people who have been through it. You know what I mean?
Victim advocate.
This is my victim advocate. This is my first time out, and I'm already getting, like, you know what I mean?
Well, I can tell you this it's probably not a good idea to be fighting with bartenders and stuff.
Yeah, when the bartender's gonna be a grown-ass man talking to a little girl, you're not gonna see that. You're gonna see the call. You're not gonna see what happened.
Well, they told you to leave, and they have the right to do so.
And I understand that. I do. They do have the right to tell me to leave. You're all I'm sorry to say that, but you don't put your hands on a child, a little girl. So I stood up for myself, and here I am.
You're 23, so that means you're a child now? And a little girl? Oh, boy.
All right, my friend, hop on out for me. Or you can actually stay there if you want to stay warm. So here's the deal, right? You are unbelievably lucky right now, okay? Based on how you performed in those exercises, if you had your keys in that car, you would be going to jail tonight. The manager at the bar here found your keys in the bathroom. Okay, so you did not have physical control of the vehicle, so you will not be going to jail for DUI. Having said that, if you get in that car and you drive that car, you will go straight to jail. Period.
I'm not gonna drive it. I'm not gonna drive it.
You and your friend need to find a way home.
Yes, sir.
Because sleeping in your car in the parking lot of Gators is not the way to go.
That's what I'm saying. There's no way I would be doing that test. Like, I see Crime Time Can, they skipped the whole thing, but yeah, there's no way I'm doing that test. I was not even driving the car. The key wasn't in the ignition. Nothing. I'm not doing no fields. Nope.
Come back for your car in the morning when you're...
I'm not doing it regardless. So you damn sure enough know I'm not doing it in this situation.
Sober, or have a friend come and get it when they're sober. But do not drive drunk. Go find your phone, call an Uber. Do not drive your car. I'm leaving. Okay?
How you doing, sir?
Hey, man, how are you?
I'm good.
I just need to talk to him real quick. Because the keys were in the bathroom, I can't arrest her for DUI because she's not in control of it. She bombed everything, so she would have gone to jail if she had the keys in the car. With that,
yeah, but so will everybody that's in that bar right there. There's still cars that's outside. That's what I hate about these types of things, because everybody that goes to the bar drinks and drives, but they pick and choose on who they gonna pull over and stuff like that, or pick on. Everybody in there, you probably have 5% of the people in there are probably, drinking soda or whatever. Everybody else is drinking. And there's cars outside. And all those cars are not just the workers. Like, come on now.
If you guys decide to trespass her, you can. She's working on getting her Uber out of here to leave y'all alone.
It's just I've never had this problem before, so
Yeah.
hopefully it's just a one and done type of thing.
Yeah, and like I said, if you guys change your mind and she comes back up in here, let us know and we'll kick her out.
All right.
All right. Take care.
It's toxic, and this is the type of shit that's gonna make a bitch get beat at home. You guys don't know what the you're doing in your land.
Then call someone else
Shut
to
up!
get you home.
You have Uber.
Weird ass bitch.
Let them know.
You don't even know what the you're doing to civilians.
I'm trying to help you.
Roll the window down.
Ooh, she turned that.
What?
Is someone coming to get you? Is someone coming to get you? Because we can't wait here all night.
You want?
I just asked you.
But I already answered whoever the fuck I don't want to answer to you. You don't even know what the you did.
Is someone coming to get you? Yes or no?
Know what you did, dude.
It's a yes or no, Emily.
Don't understand. No.
No one's-
No, get the away from my car.
So
Then you
how
going to
are you getting
jail.
out of here?
Go the away.
How are you getting out of here?
Go away. I will call a million other people besides your bitch ass. Go
So
away.
are you going to call someone to come pick you up right now?
He's already on the way. Go away.
He's already on the way. That's what I was asking.
Out of here. Yes. Go away from my car. You literally think it's funny. Like, you find joy in that shit, bro. You find joy in that shit.
Hey,
No. Now you're going to jail.
What?
Get
get out of the car.
You're
I'm
under
Wait,
arrest.
why?
Get
For
out.
what? For what?
Get out.
Wait, why?
trying to
For
give you an
what?
opportunity, and then you
Wait,
did something
for what?
stupid. You just drove the car. We told you not to drive.
Wait.
She is a freaking idiot.
Wait, hold on.
We literally told you you weren't going to go to jail because the keys weren't in there. We allowed you to sit in the vehicle.
So
In
hold on.
the
If someone
warmth.
came in- Hold on.
It doesn't matter.
Jesus.
Yeah, I don't care at this point. She's not gonna.
What are you doing?
I'm taking you to jail
No, why?
because you just drove your car.
No, sir, that's not how it goes.
That is how it goes, actually. You're given ample opportunity.
Seriously.
Yeah. If I was the cop, I'm doing the same thing. I ain't gonna lie, I'm doing the same thing. They gave you a chance. Why didn't you call a Uber or what?
Please, God. Like, Jesus
It's
Christ.
the car. Do you have anything in your pockets?
No, sir. Of course not.
No drugs?
No, sir.
Hey,
I've
even
never
if you
been-
bring weed in,
No, go ahead. I've never.
It's a felony.
Go ahead.
nothing in here?
No, sir. I've never had anything. Sir, this is not. Sir,
Okay. Then maybe you should make better life decisions.
Please, I need help here. I don't.
We
I
tried
need
to
talk
offer
you. No, I
We
need
tried to
talk
offer you help.
Please let
Get in
me
the car.
talk to you.
Get in the car.
please.
I'm done talking to you.
You do not understand, sir.
Her whole tune just changed. What happened to all of this that she was talking? She was just popping it before. Now her whole tune just changed, boy.
My car.
So how are you
Go
getting
away.
out of here?
Go the away.
How are you getting out of here?
Go away. I will call a million other people besides your bitch ass. Go
So
away.
are you going to call someone to come pick you up right now?
He's already on the way. Go away.
He's already on the way. That's what I was asking.
Out of here. Yes. Go away.
Wow, you're not talking like that no more. What happened?
You do not understand, sir. You do not understand, bruh.
All right, she's in my car. What are we doing with her?
We're going to see if she can call somebody. Where was her phone, I guess?
I didn't do anything.
No, you're good.
No, you're all good.
You're fine.
You just have to go get yourself home because you're too drunk to drive.
Well, yeah.
She's well aware about it.
Yeah, I know she is.
I can see that.
She's been straight up about that the whole time.
I have a child, sir. I can't fucking be arrested like this shit. I need to plan shit ahead.
Emily Peterson was arrested and charged with DUI. Thanks for watching today.